Think you can't make money on YouTube until you reach 1,000 subscribers? That's actually not true. And today, I'm going to show you 5 different ways you can start making money on YouTube right now, even if you uploaded your very first video yesterday. Even if you only have 10 subscribers, even if you only have 100 views. And here's the best part about YouTube. YouTube isn't paying you yet. Your audience is, your customers are, and you don't need massive numbers to find customers. You just need the right ones. Hey, I'm Viral Genie, and today we're talking about how to actually make money both on and off YouTube. And here's what no one really tells you when you first start a channel. Everyone is completely focused on hitting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so they can turn on monetization and finally get paid by YouTube through AdSense. And yes, that is one way to make money, but it's also the slowest way. You end up posting video after video, waiting and hoping to hit that magic number when you could already be earning. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 ways to make money with YouTube that have absolutely nothing to do with subscriber count or view count. There are actually many more, but these 5 work incredibly well whether you have 10 subscribers or 10,000. And the best part? You can start today, literally right after this video. No waiting, no chasing views, no begging for subscribers, just you, what you know, and people who are willing to pay for it. All right, let's start with the first method, affiliate marketing. This is by far the fastest way to make your very first dollar on YouTube. Here's how it works. You recommend a product or service in your video, then place a special link in your description. When someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. That commission can range anywhere from 2% to 50%, depending on what you're promoting. But most of the time, it's around 4 to 20%. And the best part? You don't need subscribers for this to work. You only need one person to click and buy. Your 3rd video could earn you $20. Your 10th video could bring in $100. And what can you promote? Anything you already talk about. If you teach something, you're already mentioning tools and products, your camera, your phone, your editing software, books you recommend, or tools you personally use. Every single thing you mention can have an affiliate link, even the clothes you wear, especially if you're in fashion or makeup. The easiest place to start is Amazon Associates. It takes about 10 minutes to sign up, it's free, and they approve almost everyone. I didn't have any issues at all. I added my channel information, answered a few questions, and got approved. You have 180 days to make your first sale, or they close the account. But if that happens, you can just reapply. It's really not a big deal. Right now, I have all my camera gear, microphones, and lighting linked. You can also use platforms like Share a Sale, Impact, or individual company programs. A lot of software companies offer affiliate programs. Canva, Kajabi, ConvertKit, even Think Media. If you use the tool, grab the link, put it in your description, and in your video, simply say something like, "Everything I'm using today is linked in the description below." That's it. For me, my first affiliate income was $15 when I only had 45 subscribers. One person bought a tripod, another bought a light kit, and I earned $15. It wasn't life-changing, but it proved the system works. And the best part is, it compounds. Your videos don't disappear after a week. People keep watching, and they keep buying. And if they purchase other items after clicking your link, you get credit for those too. But there's an important rule here. Only recommend products you actually use and truly believe in. Don't sell junk just for a $3 commission. Your audience is small, but they trust you. Never break that trust. The second method is selling digital products. This is where real money can happen, even with a tiny audience. The idea is simple. You create something once, like a guide, a workbook, a checklist, a template, or a mini course, and you sell it over and over again. There's no inventory, no shipping, and the profit margins are high. Why does this work without a big audience? Let's say your video gets only 100 views. If just one person buys a $27 guide, you've made $27. That's already more than most creators make from 100 views on AdSense. If 2 people buy, that's $54 from the same 100 views. You don't need thousands of viewers, just a few people with a problem you can solve. So what can you sell? Think about what matches your expertise. A meal planning template if you teach cooking, a planting calendar if you teach gardening, a content planning workbook if you teach YouTube, a budgeting spreadsheet if you teach finance, a morning routine guide if you teach productivity. To get started, pick one common question people ask you. Turn that answer into a simple PDF, 10 to 20 pages max. Use Canva to design it. Sell it on Gumroad or Stan Store. I personally use Kajabi. The bigger the problem and the faster you solve it, the more you can charge. People want solutions, and they want them quickly. Make sure your product is valuable. Don't overwhelm people, but answer their questions clearly. Then mention it naturally in your video, like, if you want my complete guide on this, the link is in the description. You create it once and it sells while you sleep, even if you only have 73 subscribers. The third way to make money is offering coaching or consulting. This is actually the highest earning option on this list, and you can do it with under 100 subscribers. Your videos show your expertise. Someone watches and thinks, I wonder if she can help me. They book a call, you help them, and they pay you. Why would someone pay for coaching? Because YouTube is full of information, but it's scattered everywhere. Finding the exact help you need when you need it is hard. With coaching, people get personalized answers tailored specifically to their situation. That kind of clarity is incredibly valuable. As a beginner, you can charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per session. Once you get testimonials, you can raise your rates. 5 clients at $100 is $500. 10 clients is $1,000 from a very small channel, and almost anyone can do this. Life coaching, business coaching, fitness, organization, career coaching, YouTube strategy, whatever you know. To start, decide what you want to help people with. Set a price, create a booking page, Calendly is free, use Zoom, which is also free, mention it in your description or briefly in your video. You don't need to be the world's top expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're helping. People trust you because they've watched your content. They like your style. And when they're ready to invest, you're the obvious choice. Pro tip, offer a few free sessions at first to practice and collect testimonials. Then start charging. Later, you can scale into group coaching, which is where things really grow. The fourth method is selling services. This is perfect if you already freelance or offer a service. YouTube becomes your portfolio and your credibility builder. For example, if you're a graphic designer and you post Canva tutorials, someone watching might think, I'd rather hire her than do this myself. That one video might land you a $2,000 client. Copywriters, virtual assistants, bookkeepers, interior decorators, this works across so many industries. YouTube isn't paying you directly, but it's bringing you the people who will. You don't need a massive audience. One client can make it worth it. If you make 10 videos with 50 views each and land one $2,000 project, that's $2,000 from 500 views. That's way better than AdSense. Make it obvious what you do. Show your work. Say it clearly in your banner, your descriptions, and your videos. Be direct. Your content is proof that you know what you're doing. The fifth method is selling curated boxes or product kits. This one flies under the radar but works incredibly well for hands-on niches. It does require some upfront cost, but here's how it works. If you teach crafting, cooking, gardening, or art, you bundle the supplies people need and sell them as a kit. Your viewer watches you create something and thinks, I want to do that too. Instead of sending them to multiple stores, you say, I've put together a kit with everything you need. The link is below. They buy and you earn. Quilting kits, painting supplies, baking ingredients, gardening seed bundles, home decor sets, it all works. You can even sell finished products you make yourself. Your audience is already engaged. They want what you're creating. Start small. Do limited runs. Create urgency by saying you're only making a certain number. Your video becomes your marketing, and the product sells itself. So which one should you start with? I recommend affiliate links for the fastest results. Then add digital products or coaching for scalable income. Pick one. Start this week. Don't wait for 1,000 subscribers. Your next video could bring your first paying customer if you actually give them something to buy. You don't need YouTube's monetization to make money. You don't need millions of views. You just need to solve a problem and give people a way to pay you. Pick one method, start today, and comment below which one you're trying first. Thanks for watching. Now go make some money, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.